Hey there. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a fantastic way to make some extra income online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to register for the Fliki.ai affiliate program and start earning money. Let's dive right in. Fliki is an all-in-one AI content creation tool that empowers creators, marketers, and businesses to effortlessly produce engaging video, audio, and images. It is famous for its user-friendly text-to-video editor, which enables users to transform text-based content into captivating videos with lifelike voiceovers, dynamic AI video clips, and many AI-powered features. Fliki's affiliate program offers an enticing opportunity for individuals interested in monetizing their passion for content creation. With a generous 30% lifetime commission on every sale, affiliates can earn substantial income by promoting Fliki services. The program provides a 30-day referral cookie life, ensuring affiliates receive credit for sales generated within the specified time frame. To get started, open your web browser and go to fliki.ai. Once you're on their homepage, scroll down to Footer, the bottom of the page. In the footer, you'll find a link that says Affiliate Program. Click on that link. This will take you to the Fliki.ai affiliate program page. Here, you can read all about the benefits of joining their program, including the generous commissions you'll earn for every referral. Fliki.ai provides unique opportunities to maximize your income through exclusive rewards and incentives. By leveraging these special bonuses, you can significantly boost your overall earnings, making your engagement with Fliki.ai more lucrative than ever. Don't just settle for commissions. Unlock the full potential of your earnings with the added benefits and financial perks that come with Fliki.ai's comprehensive bonus system. To join, simply click the Join the Affiliate Program button. You'll be redirected to a registration page. Fill out the registration form with your details. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and some information about how you plan to promote Fliki.ai. Be sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. Once you've completed the form, click the Sign Up button. You'll receive a confirmation email. Go ahead and open that email and click on the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your email, log into your new affiliate account. Here, you'll find your unique referral link. This is the link you'll share with your audience to start earning commissions. After verifying your email, log into your new affiliate account. Here, you'll find your unique referral link. This is the link you'll share with your audience to start earning commissions. To get started, check the description of this video for my referral link and visit my blog for more informative tips on maximizing your affiliate earnings. In your affiliate dashboard, you can track your clicks, conversions, and earnings. You'll also find marketing materials like banners and social media posts to help you promote Fliki.ai more effectively. Share your referral link on your blog, YouTube channel, social media, or even in email newsletters. The more people you reach, the more potential earnings you have. Create engaging content that showcases how Fliki.ai works. For example, you could create a tutorial video demonstrating how to use Fliki.ai to create a video from text, just like I'm doing now. And that's it. You're now ready to start making money with the Fliki.ai affiliate program. Remember, the key to success is consistent and creative promotion. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching and happy promoting. See you in the next video.